From angry Karens to terrible truckers, brake-checking BMWs to impromptu off-roading, tighten your helmets and hold onto your handlebars because things are about to get bumpy. Mini Pooper Scooper was driving his Mini Cooper when the driver of a Cadillac SUV merged into the side of a Ford, sending it spinning and then tumbling off the highway.
Oh my. Holy.
As the Ford SUV rolled, it collided with another black SUV on the on-ramp, sending it spinning into the trees on the side of the highway. Our subscriber was about to call 911 when he noticed something in his rearview mirror. A North Carolina state trooper already on the highway had also noticed the collision, and he was already responding to secure the scene. Shocked by the entire event, our subscriber continued on. He told us he's watched every episode of Wham Bam Dashcam, and our channel is the reason he got a dashcam of his own. He was excited to finally have something to send us. If you have footage to submit, the link is in the description. Ramil was waiting at a traffic light with his daughter Ariana when they watched two drivers try to slip through a yellow light before colliding head-on.
Oh! Oh my.
It looks like the driver of a white car tried to follow an SUV through an unprotected left turn, but they weren't expecting an oncoming driver to floor the accelerator in an attempt to beat the light. As we already know from watching plenty of similar incidents, when approaching a yellow light, it's better to stop and say, "I could have made it," than to speed up and end up saying, "I should have waited." John was waiting behind a school bus, exactly like you're supposed to when its red lights are flashing, when he watched an oncoming driver completely disregard it and drive right on by. Instantly, a police officer following John turned on his party lights and made a three-point turn to pull over the Lexus. John told us he felt sort of bad for them as he continued on his way to the grocery store. Igor was driving his Fiat 500X in Sherman when he watched an SUV driver lose control during a tight turn and slam directly into a traffic light pole.
Whoa!
Igor immediately pulled over, then waited for police to respond so he could provide them with a copy of his dashcam footage. Justin was on his way to work when a BMW driver tried and failed to pass him illegally on the highway shoulder. After flipping Justin off in his rearview mirror a few times, he managed to get in front of him and express his rage. The BMW driver brake-checked Justin's Ford Focus, or tried to anyway. Justin told us he was already cruising in second gear, so he wasn't really affected. When the BMW driver headed down an off-ramp, Justin merged onto the highway before continuing on his way to work. Close the gap. Fisher was on his way home one afternoon when drivers in two lanes improperly yielded their right-of-way to a driver trying to reach a parking lot entrance, nearly resulting in a T-bone collision. Thankfully, after Fisher spotted the turning driver about to cross his path, he was able to swerve wide and avoid being struck as he made his way down a road with a 45-mile-per-hour speed limit. He hopes to bring more attention to our Close the Gap awareness campaign by sharing his footage. Remember, yielding when you don't legally have to, like in this case, isn't courteous, it's dangerous. Close the gap. This subscriber was taking his child to school one morning when traffic ahead of him slowed down for a pedestrian in the crosswalk, but the driver behind him wasn't paying attention.
Holy.
Both drivers pulled over to exchange insurance information. The other driver's insurance provider paid over $5,300 to repair the damage to our subscriber's Hyundai Ioniq 5, which only had 853 miles on the odometer at the time. Lily was driving through her friend's neighborhood in Maidens at about 25 miles per hour, but almost immediately she was confronted by an angry Karen who demanded that she slow down even more. After the Karen stepped into the path of Lily's Hyundai Kona, she was forced to swerve halfway off the road to avoid hitting her, which probably would have totaled her vehicle. Lily told us she then sped off, so it seems like the HOA president's actions had the opposite effect from the one she'd been going for. This subscriber was bearing left when the driver of a Honda Accord in the left-only lane went straight instead, clipping the front of his Chevy Equinox. Our subscriber pulled over, as did the Honda driver, before calling the police and reporting the collision. When officers responded, they cited the Honda driver for making an illegal lane change. Real fans will recognize this subscriber's pseudonym, as he's been featured twice before on Wham Bam Dashcam. We'll link to the previous episodes containing his footage on the end screen. This subscriber was driving down a frontage road with a 55-mile-per-hour speed limit when a Chevy driver rolled through a stop sign before turning wide and into his lane. Only by going off-road was our subscriber able to avoid hitting the Chevy with his Nissan Rogue. He told us they both gave each other the friendly Texas wave before he got back on the road and carried on with his day. This subscriber was waiting at a traffic light when he watched a semi-truck driver misjudge his left turn, then start backing up to try again. There was just one problem with that plan: a car had pulled right up behind the semi. The trucker reversed into the sedan multiple times before finally realizing something was wrong and getting out to find out what it was. Thankfully, the other driver wasn't hurt. Our subscriber told us the semi was still trying to make it through the turn when he left. Here we go again.
That Tesla man can't drive. That Tesla man can't drive.
Okay, that minivan driver should have definitely closed that gap. But the driver of the Model Y shouldn't have even tried that right turn across two lanes. Talk about a Tesla behaving badly. Thankfully, Tina was able to slam on her brakes and honk, avoiding a collision before the Tesla driver aborted their attempt to turn into the parking lot. This subscriber was on his way home from work one evening when he began crossing an intersection with a yellow light. But that's when another driver from the left ran their stale red light right in front of him. The collision sent our subscriber's Toyota Camry spinning out of control before it struck a fire hydrant. He told us he hadn't even seen the other car behind his A-pillar prior to the impact, so he had no idea what had happened. The other driver also stopped, and police responded to the scene within minutes. The red light runner denied fault in spite of our subscriber's dashcam footage, so he showed it to their insurance provider instead. They weren't as willing to deny reality as their customer had been. After watching this video, they totaled our subscriber's Camry and cut him a settlement check. This subscriber wants to know who you think was responsible for this scary close call. He was making a protected left turn when another driver with a yield sign made a right turn, and the two vehicles ended up in the same lane. Only at the last second did our subscriber swerve into the other lane, sliding on the snowy road as he avoided a sideswipe collision. What do you think? Would a collision in this case have been his fault or the other driver's? It isn't always the Tesla driver's fault. Marco watched a pickup driver lose control during a left turn through a wet intersection before colliding with the side of a Model Y waiting at the traffic light. Marco assumed the Tesla driver already had their own footage of the collision, so he didn't stop to offer them his dashcam video. You might be surprised to know how many Tesla drivers don't have their Tesla cam set up, Marco. William was driving down a California highway when he encountered, something that looks like it used to be a piece of furniture. Yeah, we can't tell if that was formerly known as an entertainment center or a TV stand or what. What do you think it was before it started to identify as splintered rubble? Whatever it was, William was able to drive around it before spotting multiple drivers pulled over, presumably on their way to clean up the mess. Mohammed's father is a rideshare driver who was driving some passengers through Toronto when another driver who'd already been driving erratically suddenly turned across his lane. Both drivers stopped and exchanged information after Mohammed's father was unable to avoid colliding with the car. Police responded to the scene and generated a report for their insurance claims. Justin watched a pickup driver try to cut across oncoming traffic to make an unprotected left turn, apparently thinking his vehicle would have the acceleration necessary to pull it off. Thankfully, the other drivers weren't nearly as clueless, and they were able to slam on their brakes and avoid colliding with the right-of-way violator before everyone continued on. Tristan watched someone making an unprotected left turn get T-boned by another driver trying to beat the yellow light.
Oh, no. I have it on Dashcam. Hold on.
Tristan told us he stopped and provided his dashcam footage to the involved drivers, as well as to responding police. Thankfully, nobody was seriously hurt. Dave's wife Holly was driving in North Hollywood when she encountered a motorcycle passenger who was a very good boy. When she told Dave about it, he knew it would make a perfect ending to a Wham Bam video. Don't forget to watch Whiskey 5 JDA's other featured submissions in these videos. And if you've captured some dashcam footage that would make a perfect Wham Bam moment, why not send it to us using the submission form linked in the description? You might just see it featured in a future episode. Speaking of future episodes, we'll see you soon with another.
Wham, bam, we got a Patreon, man. Please support the show.